turn our focus now to another story, this one out of Maharashtra, where another Khairlanji type of tragedy has taken place, this time in Ahmednagar district. The bodies of 3 Dalit youth from the Mehtar community were found in a mutilated condition in what activists claim is a case of honor killing. Sachin Dharu, who was in a relationship with an upper caste girl, was found dead along with 2 of his friends. Now, Sachin's family claims that he and his friends were killed by the girl's family. The bodies are found with their limbs chopped. The police have arrested 5 members of the girl's family. The killings happened last month, but they've only come to light now.
केस में मतलब उज्जवल निकम की अपॉइंटमेंट होनी चाहिए सरकारी वकील के नाते, और इस केस को मतलब नगर जिले के बाहर जलगांव हो या नासिक हो, मतलब वहां ट्रांसफर करना चाहिए। हमारी मांग है कि दलितों की सुरक्षा करने के लिए एक स्वतंत्र पुलिस दल की स्थापना हो।
Right, that's the first political response to this tragedy. Let's go straight across to Mumbai. Our bureau chief Smita Nair joining us. Smita, the police first confirming a caste angle.
Parul, the reason I want to point out why you heard Ramdas Athawale, the RPI leader, they talk about shifting the case out of Nagar, which is Ahmednagar district, is because we've seen repeatedly a travesty of justice in cases of Dalit atrocities from this very district. There have been as many as 7 cases registered, and you know, several of them unregistered as well, of Dalit atrocities reported from Nagar itself. In almost all of those cases, we've seen the prosecution not do their job, which is why the demand being made for a special public prosecutor in this case, and for the case in fact to be shifted out of Nagar district where justice could be done. This was considered to be just another triple murder, but it was on the 5th of January when the police discovered that this could be a case of that could come under the SC/ST Atrocity Act, after it was figured that the family of this girl who belongs to the Maratha community and several other members, one understands, of that particular village, many of them who are currently absconding, had attacked these 3 young men. It is the brutality of the crime that has shocked many. The fact that all 3 bodies were found in different areas, mutilated. The limbs, in fact, of these 3 young men were chopped. The bodies recovered, we are told, more than 48 hours after the killings actually took place. The fear is that justice will not be done in this case as well, which is why the demand being made by activists and Dalit leaders like Ramdas Athawale that the case be shifted out of Nagar district.
Smita, have any public representatives, perhaps the area MLA, the MP, or even a government minister have reached out to the victims' families at all?
Yes, sir. We've seen the Guardian Minister for Nagar, which is the Ahmednagar district as it's known as Nagar district, reach out to the family members of these 3 young men. These aren't natives, Parul, I must point out. Of the 3 young boys, one belongs to the Malegaon district, one boy is from the Buldhana district, and the other in fact from Khandwa in Madhya Pradesh. All 3 men were working as sweepers in an educational institution in that area. This young woman is believed to be a student in that educational institution, which is how Sachin, one of the 3 boys who were killed, had met her. One understands that 2 in fact were planning to get married as per the police officials who are investigating this case. This information reached the family of the girl belonging to the Maratha community, after which in a fit of rage, some activists are calling a case of honor killing, quote unquote, these 3 young boys were chopped to death.
Smita Nair, we'll have to leave it at that, but counting on you to get us the very latest on this story. 3 Dalit youth brutally murdered in Ahmednagar district of Maharashtra.